Yo, I'm the nose that knows, and I know that today you're going to be joining me as this dickhead pulls out right in front of us. And I know that you're going to be joining me for Mr Fish's Meet Up. Cue the intro. We're going to go to the Chronicles of Mr Fish BOS Meet Up, beginning of season Meet Up, up at Rykas Cafe at Box Hill. Just praying that this rain holds off, because it does look pretty nasty. Now this right here is a very good road. Terrible road surface, but a good road. Right, slow down a bit because I do not remember these bends. No idea what to expect from Mr Fish's beginning of season meet-up. Never been to one of his meet-ups before, but I have met him before from Andy Mancamp's tour he did here last year when he popped over from Germany. And I unknowingly at the time went for a little ride with him. Just following him as I had no idea where to go, and it was pure luck. But I know that Mr Hippo-Drones is going to be there. Well, he's not Mr Hippo-Drones, he is just Hippo-Drones, another motovlogger. Sure there'll be a couple other friendly faces there. Oh god, slow cars. You are so gay. Why can't I just make Sundays bike day only? Fuck you old people going on little day trips. Stay at home. You're tired. You can do it any day of the week, and you choose to go out on a day when everyone else is trying to go out about their business. It's just not right. Hopefully that's my only rant for the day, but I doubt it. It smells fishy. You better believe me, I can smell shit with this nose. So I don't know if we're going to have a little ride out when we get there. Hoping we have something. Might try and arrange something, depending who's there. Or if we're just going to stand around, eat some crap, talk some shit and masturbate over some motorbikes. Terrible road surface there. You do not want to be hitting any of those potholes or just little loose gravelly bits when you're coming around a bend. That really isn't fun. So I'm hoping to meet some new people. Try and bully you into subscribing to my channel. If you are one of those people that I managed to bully, thank you. Now I know I need to go on the A24, which is just here I believe. And I'm going to try and do it all just off signs. I used to be such a good navigator, but now in the world of GPS on every single device, and me being a proper lazy bastard, it just never happens. It seems completely lost the ability to know where I am and where I'm going. Oh balls, this road's closed. Right, that road was closed, so I literally have no Scooby what's going on now. The whole thing of trying to get there without the old GPS seems to be failing already. Burgess Hill. I think that's on the way. We need to just motor along now. again, don't know if this is the right way. Let's follow all these cars and find somewhere to stop, shall we? Rerouting. You just you fucking bastards. You were sending me the wrong way, shitty sat nav. Merging. Right. Well, I'll see you in a bit, because this is going to be incredibly boring. Oh God, I need a massage. My back went the other day, and I was thinking, I do need a sports massage. I don't really like people touching me. And I'm a proper moaner as well. When I've seen from friends like that, I'm proper groaning and growling and making lots of noises I shouldn't be doing, other than with my girlfriend, really. So, where are we? Kingsfold. Kingsfold. That's the problem with these big German saloon cars. The only real people that can afford them are retired people. And retired people fly very slowly. Ah, this is the A24 that I remember. Dual carriageway and sucky. And then look, it's dual carriageway and there's just nothing. Oh God, I don't understand the road network in this country. We're nearly here. And the weather has held off, which is all I could ask for. A bit later than I wanted to be here. Mod's Day or something. So, that's Mr Fish BOS Meet Up dealt with. There's some lovely people, including Hold Your Fire. motovlogger and Instagrammer in front of me right now. I also met Hippo-Drones, Chronicles of Mr Fish, Red Baron 1, and Purple Monkey 1974. So check those guys out if you wish. So it was a very good day. I had a lovely burger. Well, it was an alright burger, but it was cheap and hot, which is all I wanted at the time. Nice milkshake though. I found a few more channels to subscribe to. It's a bit more YouTube time when I'm at work and having a poo, because let's be honest, we all watch YouTube when we're having a poo. If you don't, you're missing out. Maybe not a 15-20 minute long videos, but you know, those 5-10 minute videos, ideally a 7-minute video, perfect. Perfect shitting video, that is. Those are some loud pipes. I don't know if you can hear them. So this is going to be a proper boring little jaunt home. That's all I'm going to say. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. If you are one of those people that I met, let me know down in the comments so I know who you are. See you later, gang. Yeah!